Hello guys, in today's video we are going to solve the LeetCode problem which is based on the MySQL or SQL structure query language. So the problem is we have the table called as person. In person we have person ID as a primary key, last name and first name. Uh, and in table we have address. Second table name is addresses. So in address table we have address ID, person ID, city, and state. So what we have to do is write a solution to report the first name, last name, city, and state. Then just select. Using select, we select the rows present in the table. So we have to select the first name, first name, last name, third is city, and fourth is state. So after that, what we have to do, select first name, last name, state, city, each person in person table. So each person in person table. So we have two tables. Okay, but we have to select each record in present in person table. So what we have to do, if uh, we have to join, then first name is present in person. So just write p dot first name and p dot last name, and then we have the address table. So a dot city and a dot state. So after that, we have to write from. If we write person as a first table, then we have to use left join. And if we have if we write the address as a first table, then we have to write the right join. So just write person as a person. Okay, person as a P, person P, left join, second table name, address on, address as A, address A on, we have the person ID as a foreign key. So we have to write the first P dot person ID is equals to A dot person ID. So we are done with our solution. Just uh, click on run. So it will run and our code is accepted. So just hit the submit button and it will generate our uh, time complexity, etc., etc. So we are beat 29.59% people. So this is our solution. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.